NASA's Pilgrim 1, the most faraway human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again. In the vastness of the universe, we have no idea what it is, except that we can observe it. Traveler 1, the renowned space probe launched by NASA more than 4.5 decades ago, has just sent back a message that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. After traveling almost 14 billion miles from Earth, Wayfarer 1 has made a discovery so significant that it has changed the direction of its mission, pivoting towards our planet. But what exactly could this discovery be? Could it be proof of extraterrestrial life, a cosmic anomaly, or something even more extraordinary? In this gripping exploration, we uncover these astonishing revelations as Pioneer 1 has made a surprising discovery that caused it to startlingly turn back toward Earth. History tells us that the Adventurer twin probes might never have left Earth if certain celestial events hadn't aligned. In this case, the aligning stars were the 4 largest planets in our solar system. Nearly 50 years ago, these planets were slowly aligning in a way that had last occurred during Thomas Jefferson's presidency in the early 19th century. This unique planetary alignment went largely unnoticed at first. The first person to recognize its significance was Gary Flandreau, a doctoral student in aeronautics at the California Institute of Technology in 1965. At the time, space exploration was just beginning. Working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, Flandreau was tasked with figuring out the most efficient way to send a spacecraft to Jupiter or even farther to Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Using a simple pencil, he meticulously plotted the orbital paths of these giant planets and made a fascinating discovery. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, all 4 planets would align in such a way that they could be visited in a single mission. This alignment meant that a spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, significantly reducing travel time. Flandreau calculated that this alignment would cut the flight time from Earth to Neptune from 30 years to just 12 years. However, there was a catch. This planetary arrangement only happened once every 176 years. To take advantage of this rare opportunity, a spacecraft would have to be launched by the mid-1970s. NASA seized this once-in-a-lifetime chance and built 2 spacecraft for the journey. These spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were sent on an extraordinary mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Thanks to the alignment of the planets and the visionary calculations of Gary Flandreau, the launch of the Pioneer twin spacecraft marked something truly remarkable. On September 5, 1977, at a place called Cape Canaveral in Florida, Voyager 1 embarked on its awe-inspiring journey into space, propelled by a powerful rocket known as Titan IIIe or Centaur. Just weeks earlier, Voyager 2 had been launched on August 20, 1977. Voyager 1 began its journey into the vast universe, following a shorter path. Their primary mission was to explore the massive gas giants in our solar system, such as Jupiter and Saturn, along with their many moons. However, these fearless explorers exceeded all expectations. They ventured far beyond, pushing the boundaries of exploration, traveling farther and longer than any other spacecraft in history. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 broke numerous records on their inspiring odyssey, venturing into a region known as interstellar space, a completely unknown realm within our universe. Despite being more than 12 billion miles from us, they continue to astonish scientists with the remarkable discoveries they make out there. Recently, they made a discovery so stunning that it has left everyone in shock. The Voyager twin spacecraft have achieved some truly extraordinary milestones. Decades ago, they explored the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, astonishing experts who initially believed these moons to be dull and cratered like our own moon. Instead, these moons turned out to be vibrant centers of activity. Voyager 2 made history by becoming the first of the twins to swing by Uranus in 1986, and just 3 years later, it zoomed past Neptune, an achievement unmatched by any other spacecraft. As these spacecraft continued their phenomenal journey, NASA employed clever strategies to ensure they remained operational. They deactivated non-essential components, such as spare instruments and heaters, to conserve power. This strategy aims to keep the spacecraft functioning as planned until at least 2030. For the dedicated scientists and engineers who have been part of this remarkable journey since its inception, it's a bittersweet mix of emotions. Their hard work has paid off, And just when they thought the Voyager missions were nearing their end, a surprising discovery emerged from the depths of space. At the start of their extraordinary journey decades ago, the Voyager spacecraft amazed scientists by providing the first close-up views of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. These moons, which astronomers had assumed to be dull and heavily scarred like our moon, turned out to be dynamic worlds. Voyager 1 reached Jupiter in March 1979, just 18 months after its launch. Voyager 2, following a slightly different path, arrived in July of the same year. Both spacecraft were equipped with Vidicon cameras that used filters to capture full-color images. Interestingly, they were designed to be extremely stable, rotating through space at a rate more than 10,000 times slower than the hour hand of a clock. This ensured that the images they captured were clear, vivid, and sharp. During their mission, the Voyagers took more than 33,000 photographs of Jupiter and its moons, each revealing new and captivating details. For example, Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 named moons, was found to have a fractured icy shell estimated to be more than 60 miles thick. As the spacecraft departed the Jupiter system, they gained a speed boost of 35,700 miles per hour from a gravitational slingshot, a maneuver that propelled them toward interstellar space. At Saturn, the Voyagers parted ways. Voyager 1 passed through Saturn's majestic rings, enduring countless impacts from tiny dust particles, before passing by Titan, a moon shrouded in orange haze, and traveling north out of the plane of the planets. Voyager 2 continued its solo journey, reaching Uranus and Neptune in 1986. During its visit to Uranus, Voyager 2 discovered 10 new moons and added the planet to the list of worlds in our solar system with rings. However, Voyager 2's achievements were overshadowed by tragedy. Just days after its closest approach to Uranus, the Space Shuttle Challenger tragically exploded shortly after launch, killing all 7 crew members, including Krista McAuliffe, a schoolteacher from New Hampshire who was set to become the first civilian to travel into space. 3 years later, as Voyager 2 flew about 2,800 miles above Neptune's stunning purple methane sky, it encountered the fastest winds ever recorded on any planet in our solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, turned out to be one of the coldest places in our cosmic neighborhood, with surface temperatures plunging to minus 391 degrees Fahrenheit. As these brave space pioneers continued their journey, they sent back valuable data that continues to puzzle scientists to this day. Their incredible odyssey has rewritten the textbooks of space science and inspired generations of future explorers to dream of reaching for the stars. However, the most astonishing discovery of all came when Voyager 1 recently detected something truly extraordinary hiding in the vastness of interstellar space. After nearly 50 years of exploration, Voyager 1 has accidentally discovered a mysterious anomaly that has left experts baffled. Voyager 1, after nearly 50 years of interstellar exploration, has made a discovery so significant that it has left scientists and researchers both perplexed and excited. The spacecraft, which has traveled over 14 billion miles from Earth, has sent back a signal containing data unlike anything we have encountered before. The anomaly it detected in the vastness of space is so confounding that it has forced the spacecraft to alter its course and head back toward Earth, sparking widespread interest and speculation. The signal received from Voyager 1 has raised numerous questions. Could it be evidence of extraterrestrial life? Could this phenomenon be a massive unexplained anomaly beyond our understanding? Or is there something even more unimaginable at play, something that could redefine our understanding of the universe? To grasp the gravity of this discovery, we must look back at the mission itself. Voyager 1 was part of the twin spacecraft mission launched in 1977, an ambitious endeavor to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Thanks to the unique alignment of the 4 largest planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, NASA planned a trajectory that would use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot the spacecraft from one to the next, drastically reducing the time required for the mission. The mission was a success, and Voyager 1 made remarkable achievements far exceeding initial expectations. It ventured beyond the outer planets, even entering the vast unknown of interstellar space. While other space probes had sent back valuable information, Voyager 1 and its twin Voyager 2 went further, exploring the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, discovering the dynamic and active nature of these moons, and identifying new moons around Uranus. Voyager 1's most significant achievements include its exploration of Jupiter's moon Europa, where it discovered a thick icy crust, and its journey past Saturn, where it traversed the planet's iconic rings. As it moved farther into the unknown, it sent back detailed photos and data that amazed scientists, including information about the extreme weather conditions on Neptune and the unique properties of Triton, its largest moon. For decades, NASA had planned for the eventual end of the mission, with the spacecraft being shut down to conserve resources. Yet, just when the team thought the mission was nearing its conclusion, the latest discovery took everyone by surprise. This unexpected finding has led experts to speculate about the nature of the signal and what might be responsible for this extraordinary shift in direction. The implications of this discovery are immense. Could this signal be the first genuine evidence of life beyond Earth? Or perhaps it represents a natural cosmic phenomenon that has yet to be observed. Some speculate that the anomaly could be an unknown force or field that Voyager 1 has encountered as it continues to travel farther from the solar system. For now, the anomaly remains a mystery. But one thing is clear. Voyager 1 has once again shattered our understanding of space exploration with its surprising findings. This historic spacecraft continues to push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. As it moves back toward Earth, it carries with it a signal that could unlock an entirely new chapter in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it. For now, scientists are carefully analyzing the data and preparing for further study, hoping that this unexpected discovery will provide insights into some of the most profound questions in science. Whether it turns out to be evidence of alien life, a cosmic anomaly, or something even more extraordinary, Voyager 1's discovery marks yet another milestone in humanity's journey into the unknown. Key implications of Voyager 1's unexpected discovery are monumental, as it signifies a breakthrough that could redefine humanity's understanding of the cosmos. Scientists are meticulously analyzing the data transmitted back to Earth, searching for patterns or anomalies that might provide clues about the mysterious signal and its origin. Among the various hypotheses, some experts suggest that the signal could be evidence of a previously unknown cosmic phenomenon. This might include a unique type of energy field, particle interaction, or even a form of matter that has never been observed before. Such a discovery would revolutionize fields ranging from astrophysics to quantum mechanics. Others speculate that the signal could be a form of communication, perhaps originating from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. While the notion of alien life has long been a subject of fascination and debate, Voyager 1's findings could provide the first tangible evidence to support the existence of intelligent beings beyond Earth. The possibility of extraterrestrial life raises profound questions about humanity's place in the universe. If the signal is indeed a message from another civilization, what might it say? Could it be a greeting, a warning, or an invitation? These questions fuel both excitement and caution among researchers, as the implications of such contact are both thrilling and daunting.